is your coach, Andrea Dickerson here with OwnADaycare.com, where we connect childcare business owners with proven management solutions. For today's proven management solution, I want to talk to you about your teacher training packets to help you organize their accountability in the classrooms so that they can succeed. If you are interested in seeing the behind the scenes to my teacher daily accountability packet, then give this video a thumbs up, stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Will you impact your community in such a way where they gotta ask, what are we going to do? The Jumpstart Squad will help you shift to the next level. Why not dream big?
God bless every speaker, bless every attendee, bless everyone in the buildings, to the crowd, even in the hotel. We just praise God. Let's go do this. Woo!
All the time, I might be different. I might be a different kind of coach, but I'm the coach that's designed to help you multiply. If you dream it, it will happen for you. So why not dream big? Why not make your business one of the best? Welcome back, you guys. I'm so excited that you all could stay along with me. I cannot wait to see you live and in person at a tour stop near you. In a previous video, we discussed the essence of making sure that your daily checklist flows along with your schedule to create rhythm for your teachers. Not only do you want for your teachers to understand how to systematically work throughout your classroom, you want to give them the daily accountability teacher packet so that they can fill it out and turn it in each day and pick it up each day. So I believe that systems work with full program accountability. So let me explain to you what I mean. Here we have our teacher packet, which has their daily accountability checklist located on the inside of it for every single day. So this means that my front desk personnel or my assistant director or director is responsible for printing out these documents, checking these documents, and ensuring that they are correct and ready for storage. So she prepares this folder for the teachers every Friday, and on Monday morning and every single morning from that point forward, the classroom lead teacher picks up the folder, takes it in the classroom, and begins to follow the daily checklist that's according to their daily schedule of responsibilities. Once this teacher completes this form, each and every afternoon, they are to turn in the daily teacher report. So this folder includes the daily teacher report. This daily teacher report is then removed from the packet, turned into my desk or my director's desk for afternoon accountability. She checks off what's going on in the classroom, what the teachers say they need, or any incidents or accidents that happen. She checks off and includes it in the final report for the afternoon. We call this the business day closeout. I know that it's a lot of paperwork, but I needed to create a trail so that I can always pinpoint what's going on in my business at any given time. Then we take this information and we store it in our classroom management binder. This binder is what is kept in my corporate office. And this is where the information is stored. So many times, childcare business owners request documents from the classroom, but they're scattered everywhere and they're not consistent. So when you create your teacher packet, this packet is retrieved every day and also given back to your administrator or whomever is working the administrative part of your business is given back to them each day, is reviewed, checked, and then it's stored. So this is a full circle operation accountability system. Now you no longer have to deal with paperwork coming across your desk that's meaningless not reviewed or checked, and is not stored anywhere particular. So I want to encourage you, get rid of those manila folders, get rid of those miscellaneous files, and create your teacher packet, also your binder system, to help you stay organized and to keep your teachers back to back with accountability, as well as your program administrator. Now, I know I left out a few details, but of course I would. Everything that we do for the Own A Daycare brand is provided to you in coaching format. So if you're interested in going deeper with me as your coach to show you more behind the scenes to how this system works, then I want you to go to AndreasJumpstartStrategy.com, sign up for your discovery call, let me complete a call with you to determine which program will work best for your budget, and we will help you create systems for operations in your childcare business. So let's get started with taking your business to the next level. Well, all right, this is your coach, Andrea Dickerson, here with IOwnADaycare.com. And as I always say, if you manage the childcare business that you love, you will love the childcare business that you manage. Bye, you guys.